How to get more altar shots in the altars. So, in order to do that, you need to increase the limit of your altars, and you can do it, and you can increase the default limit by increasing the qubit level, which in turn happens after producing and installing a qubit chip in the quantum computer. This mechanics has been discussed on a separate page, like how to increase the qubit level, and each of the following qubit level provides one additional spot. So, in order to increase your altars, you need to add additional spot for the qubit level, and one free slot is for one new altar. But for a more detailed breakdown, here's what you do. So first, upgrade and go to the central hub for creating altars. And then you can only create a limited number of altars. So to increase this, you need to upgrade the quantum computer. So to just find the damaged qubit chips in the environment, and then repair the chips in the workshop, and then add them to your computer to increase the level. Then each upgrade gives you one altar slot. So just manage mental state of Jan. So manage Jan's mental state is tied to the number of available altar slots. So keeping Jan happy and productive is vital for efficient resource management and fulfilling the needs of your existing altars and managing their personal issues. You also need to have some resource management, so focus on gathering resources like metals, rapidium, minerals, and organics. And then prioritize your altars. So consider the skills and traits of each altar when choosing who to awaken.